Hi, today I will show you how to connect data from RealEye and Qualtrics. We can do it both ways by sending response ID from Qualtrics to RealEye or tester ID from RealEye to Qualtrics. Today we'll do both because we have experiment where I would like to start from Qualtrics and ask participants if they like eye tracking or not. Then I would like to run eye tracking procedure and then go back to Qualtrics. So let's go to Qualtrics. We have prepared two questions, pre-question and post-question. So we go to first question. Do you like eye tracking? And I go to survey flow. We have our first question here. We're adding a new element. Embedded data, this is something what we have to define. What we would like to send from Qualtrics to RealEye. So this is going to be response ID. Now I have idea, for example, I would like to send also the answer for this question. So selected choices. Right, and I move it to the beginning. Go here. And also I would like to redirect our participants to eye tracking procedure. So I'm doing this here, end of the survey, customize, redirect. And here I have to add this link to my RealEye experiment. Okay, but this is not the end. Here also I have to define what I would like to send from Qualtrics to RealEye. And to do this, I have to add a query. So first of all, response ID. To apply this, go back to the question. And how to find a query. Here we have pipe text, and we have to add embedded data. This is our response ID. Okay, and cutting this, go back to my link, and my response ID query is this. And how to define the answer. So let's say how to find this first question. We have to do the same thing. So go to PyText and find selected choices. Great. It actually helps us to not make any mistake in this query. Okay. My answer. All right. So first question is finished. So what we have here, we have response ID and selected choices that will be sent to RealEye platform. And now I would like to publish this, of course. Okay. And in the second question, I would like to get tester ID from RealEye to be able to connect also this answer with my data. Again, I'm going to survey flow, adding element, embedded data, and we have to define what we would like to get from RealEye, and we would like to get tester ID. So RealEye tester ID. Cool. Again, removing this at the beginning. Apply and publish. All right, so let's check it out, if it works or not. I will just find a link. The first question, copy this, and let's start. First, I have my question, do I like eye tracking? Of course. And I'm redirected. I should do that. Okay. Okay. Okay, beautiful. Wow, my eyes. So we finished this eye tracking procedure. And now I'm back here. How much do I like eye tracking? Very, very, very much. Great. We finished our whole experiment. Now let's check if we have our data. Okay, we have new participants, it's me. And I can see that external data is here. My ID from Qualtrics is here. And the answer for the first question was yes. Of course, I can find also this data in our databases, which I can download. Now we go to my second survey, because of this data, I can connect first question to this eye tracking data. But what about this question after this experiment? So let's check it if our tester ID from RealEye is also here. I'll export, it will be faster, I think. Okay, and I can see that I had many runs of this and many tests, and at the end it should be RealEye tester ID, the last one. It's our test 094388. Let's check it here. Yes, it's 094388. So we have everything we wanted. Thank you very much. If you have any other questions, let us know. Thank you for today.